Hey there, dreamers and believers. Today, I want to share with you a powerful message that can make a real difference in your life. The journey to success is not an easy one. It's a bumpy road with ups and downs, highs and lows. But remember, my friends, it's the dreamers of the world who are more valuable than anything else in it. You see, there's no one else out there who can make a change for you. It's only you who can bring that change into your life. So stand up and fight for your dreams. Because no one else can do it for you. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You are in control of your destiny and no one else. So go out there, chase your dreams, and take control of your future because no one else will do it for you. Thank you for being here today, my friends. May this message inspire you to keep pushing forward and never give up on your dreams. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more motivational content like this. Until next time, stay focused on your goals and keep chasing your dreams.